Good morning, Jefferson Elementary Jaguars. Good morning to you. Now, we have a special guest here today to help us recognize and thank the staff at Jefferson Elementary School. The Milken family has been a friend and supporter of education since 1987.
Your teachers and principal are some of the most important people in your life. In sports, athletes get gold medals, entertainers get American Music Awards, but our teachers haven't been part of the celebration. Before we leave here today, an educator right here is going to receive this national award. The Milken Educator Award goes to Lisa Moody.
It was very surreal. I didn't expect it to be me in the least, and it's still surreal. I don't feel like it's real. I was born with cerebral palsy, and so I've dealt with living in a world that wasn't built for me every day of my life, and so I was raised to not let it define who I was. What better way to serve kids than to, work with kids with special needs, because I could be a role model or an example of what it's like to keep persevering. Uniquely, I have that perspective.
Congratulations, Miss Moody. Just think, one teacher in the entire state of Nebraska getting this recognition. Excellence is what you're about. Congratulations.
The difference that you make for your students, making sure that they are a part of the whole community. We thank you. We congratulate you. Great work.
I am fortunate to work in an amazing school with an amazing staff and supportive administrators. I constantly say I could not do my job without every single person. It's the best job in the world. It's the hardest job in the world, but it's really rewarding, and I'm just so grateful to work in a staff that's so supportive and shows up every day and wants to do what's best for kids.